connect this slave as a minion to the master. Let me open it in a new tab. M update -y. Let me complete the M update on this. Grains are predefined variables from the minion. Okay. Pillar are like your custom variables. You can write it here. The variable store, it also supports the encryption and decryption format for sensitive information. So this is nothing but going to have the information from the minion. Okay. And if you want to change the grain value, it has to be done on the minion. Like for example, let's say the version is CentOS 7. I'm upgrading it to 8. You will not be like in the grains. It will be like basically it will fetch the information from the minion and keep it as a variable. That's called grain. But pillar, you can write your own variable. Yes, pillar has to be in the master. Yes, grains are immutable. Set a host name for this. So the command is host name ctl set -host name that we call it as centos.training.com. Then let me run exec dash. So now I can see the domain name got changed. And then I'm going to do the same RPM import and then adding the repo. And here I'm just going to install only the minion and I'm going to start the service. Okay. Then let me get the salt repo. FSLN TTPS dot Ubuntu will take the direct terminal. Okay. So now let us install yum install -minion -y. So here on the node, I'm just going to install the minion. So the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to start the minion. While starting the minion itself, it will try to communicate to the master and then it will register the key. Okay, so the minion registration will happen when I start the service. But I told you By default, in the minion configuration, it will be expecting the salt master to be available on the domain name salt. Okay. For that, let me put a host entry for the master IP. So to get the master IP, give a command IPA. Okay. So this is the 172 series is your master IP. Okay. /etc hosts is the file. Yes. In the file, I'm going to put a host entry called the private IP 172.31.48.246. 172.38 31.48 .48.246. to 31.48.246. 31.48.246, and there I'm going to put it as like a salt, because by default minion will be looking for the master with the domain name salt. Let me write this file. That will be master public IP is salt. Just replace your master public IP there and then space salt. And once it is done, I'll be able to start my minion, and that will register my node on the master. Before starting it, I'll show you a command to list all the pending certificates. Okay. Command will be salt-key capital L. So this is going to list all the current keys which are present in this. If you see that there are multiple options. One is called accepted, unaccepted, denied, and then rejected. Okay. So as of now, there is no keys registered on the master. So once I start this service on this node, you should see them under the unexpected keys. Okay. So let us see this. So let us start that. Command is enable salt -minion Once it is done, on master, if you give the salt keys -L, you should be able to see the centos.training.com is coming under the unaccepted keys section. So once you accept this key, then the master will be able to communicate to the minion. So if you want to change the acceptance to automatic, in the configuration file I have shown a section, right? Auto accept, auto approve. There you can set it to true and then restart the master. Then it will be automatically accepted. But that's not a best practice I would suggest. So salt key -L is going to list all the keys which are associated with the salt infrastructure. Okay. Now let us see what is the option to accept a key or what are the other options available. Okay. The salt -key -help. So these are all the options available. Okay. So my major thing is here. These are all the actions. Okay. So -L will list all the pub keys. Okay. And -A to accept it. Okay. If I want to any pending keys, I want to accept it. If I give -A, it will accept all the pending keys. Okay. And if I want to reject a key, I can just use -R, -R to reject all of them. Okay. And then another option is I want to show it like a delete. If I want to delete a key from the thing, I can just do that. Okay. So -F will print the fingerprint. So these are all the options for key generation, other things that we are not going to do. And I told you for every command I can provide a log level, right? So this is the option I can use it. Okay. This is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to accept the particular key. Let me show -A will accept all the keys. If I want to accept only the particular key, I can just say it here. So salt key -small. Let me just run this once again. Salt key -L, and I want to accept this one particular key. The command will be salt -key -A. And just provide this centos.training.com. So it is going to ask you for a prompt. Okay. You can also give an option called -Y that will automatically avoid this prompt. Okay. You can just do this. Yes. Capital yes. Now was salt key -L. You can see it is in the accepted state.